Nakondrabembua madua tanabna dem sanabna kaileno.
Yan Rabinaka, good morning everyone tuning in this fine Monday morning.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay, well, good morning to all the students who are being part of the examination today.
Yes.
Some FSFA, Fiji, examination for movie too.
Yes. Fiji 7th year examination.
Year 12 too, they are
Right.
looking forward for the
Yes.
examination. Some will carry on together with the annual examination.
No, annual examination.
No, to other years.
Oh, yes.
To other form, they will
the
be
lower
sitting
years.
too. Yeah, to the lower years.
Yeah.
Some of them, they have the responsibility now as a head boy.
Yes.
The prefect, the
Yes.
senior prefect. For now, because we don't want to disturb the students who are being set for their examination.
Yes.
Don't know
As of today, thank you very much to all the students.
Yeah.
9,000 as we heard.
Yes.
They will be set for their examination today.
Right.
Congratulations.
All the very best.
Ha,
eh?
ha, ha.
Yeah, this will determine the kind of jobs, your careers. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and the choices that you are going to make
Yeah.
in the future.
Don't know, Babinaka.
Tertiary, where
Yeah.
you want to go? You want to be a teacher?
Yeah.
You want to be a pilot?
Ha.
Yeah.
You want to be an electrician?
Ho.
Right.
Maybe a doctor or bank, working in the bank, eh?
Ha.
Yeah, to all the year 13 students tuning this morning, we say all the best students.
Yes.
And kaya naman tingin muli ko na naman ni Peter Rongi.
Right.
To all the parents tuning in this morning, pinapalib sa na support. Kaya naman ito Academy Rulbenda. Some of you parents maybe having the 1 week off and bugod din naman ni annual leave.
Right.
Doon magating ko na Peter Rongi na Rulbenda.
Yes.
And singa pinaka ni Kuwa.
Yes,
Okay.
Kapag bibi na Vito Academy to all the parents who may not be in the country
Yes.
right now, maybe listening from overseas and thinking about the kids, about the children who are sitting for their examination, especially to the year 13 students studying today and on the paper English. Yeah, bakit na talabi kibrin na Vito Lili na Vito Academy? Ha?
Tangan mo, Joel na Lodi.
Oh, to the newborn husband.
Yeah,
Newborn husband.
Newborn husband.
Yeah, Joel na Lodi.
Chilling from Sabu-Sabu this morning, isa na turang matagal pinapalim sa kito sa mayroong ada lebu sa kemo italanoa. Lebu na nomu sa rika may katumalaka, na nomu de muribe nomu momo, kene be kataleso, erdo po muriko tu kene na mona libo-libo na nomu nindaw. Po sabi-sami, pero ngone leorere ito to kami Sabu-Sabu turang matagal.
No, quando turang kinda dala, he was like a bouncy castle.
Yeah.
He himself
Yeah.
went for
Court hearing.
court hearing.
Yeah.
And the court here,
Yeah.
kung daw lewa, the court hearing,
Yeah.
the court hearing was there. O kung turang lewa,
The judge, yeah.
the judge.
Yeah. The court here.
The court hearing was there.
Yeah.
And he is from Kandavu.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He was from Kandavu. And the fella is like the kita lah.
Yeah.
It's a bouncy
Chitty
castle.
chitty bang bang.
Yeah, chitty bang bang.
Yeah.
When the fella, all people there they know, but they used to make fun of him because of the. Saya kan tahu bang kita tu nona kita lah.
Makatunan na hobby.
Yeah, bakal tu menor hobby. And someone was like this.
Yeah. Made that sound, yes.
Yeah, and
yes.
was calling Kobula.
Yeah.
Kobula coming and like this. Kobula, and the fella put a paragraph there. Join Kobula's name.
Oh,
Yeah.
not a good
Yeah,
paragraph.
not a good paragraph.
In the courthouse.
In the courthouse.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Imagine this, eh?
Yeah.
Imagine you sit in there in the courthouse,
Yeah.
and we was there, and the people was wondering, hey,
Yeah.
hey, what's your name?
Yeah.
My name is, and he said, wearing the uniform. And he was lucky because whenever they said that, the people are laughing at the back because they know him. And the fellow from Kandavu, lucky he was from Kandavu,
Yeah.
but he was there. Lucky you're from Kandavu.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, the lucky you are from Ra.
From Raya.
If you are from other, no, you will be deducted from your pay. Good morning to all the police officer,
Right.
to all the firemen,
Yeah.
to all the soldiers,
Teachers, man.
to all the teachers
Yeah.
up there,
Yes.
to all the servicing.
Yeah.
Bernaling ni Bengkarabi, daw ni Bengkarabi, and all over the place.
Right.
To all the people, all the receptionists
Yeah.
who welcoming us every morning.
Yes.
Before we go to the Barkabos,
Yeah.
we hate them, we love them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We say
Right.
to John Kumar in Bararabeli Singatoka, and also to
Ito mali-mali. Paano di ba nakabeder mo mukoroy na betorong uniform 7 na matang ko na kornibulan. Tao sa mo secondary school. All the very best there mo mukoroy.
Yeah, sopa ya kalasuli from
Right.
Tonga na sopa. Good morning to you, Marikangyo, Plantation Island Resort. Wow!
Oh!
Tangan ni po talanganggo.
Okay.
Good morning, Ratu Chone Lolo.
Right.
Yeah.
Mudale secondary school from Tabiuni Siteri.
Okay.
Tamay Makelina
Yes,
all the way from Namboro.
Ano ba naka? Ano
Good
ba
morning
naka?
to you and the family. He wants to join to all, and also to Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Oh.
To all the participants who coming for the audition.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Last Saturday.
Thank you
Right.
so
very
much.
Andre nga Kalisto Sauni, this is our captain who fall off from the boat.
Iyo.
Kalisto Sauni ngo daw kanin to menakoro.
Yeah.
Be penirway.
Doon ba nak? Okay, our story this morning is about
Okay.
two Vitamaleni
Yes.
telling the stories.
Okay.
Competition.
One from Bua Miao and one from
Alright.
Maduata.
Yeah.
And the one from Maduata, we know when we stay for 2 hours Tabaleni,
Yes.
everything will be a
Competition.
Yeah, competition and a
Yes.
conjugation. Lebu nga na lele nandira, lebu nga na lasu.
Yeah.
So when we was there and the fella, oi, boy, tabale. You know one cyclone coming here at our village?
Good.
Yeah.
This is a fella from Maduata.
Yeah.
You know one cyclone da by ratalota to the Rangori.
Yeah.
What kind of cyclone? One cyclone here coming from our side, Maduata.
Yeah.
You know tabale, I want to tell you this. You see that coconut tree close to our
Gori.
mainland?
Iyo.
Yeah.
What do you know?
The one you knew?
Iyo.
The big coconut tree?
Yes.
When the cyclone come,
Right.
you know the coconut is expendable.
Yes.
Ewawa muna tolon.
Yeah.
When the cyclone come, he coming down.
Iyo.
Take the soil.
Woo! Tara na, gala-gala ka
Iyo.
nakatay. Nakukunin lang niya.
Coconut lang.
Sante
Yeah.
na.
Just like this.
Yeah.
When you see trapping the pig, when
Yeah.
you see trapping the pig, nandali buwaka.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Yeah.
Like a cow.
Yeah.
He coming,
Yeah.
the cyclone come. Imagine coming from the our side, the
Right.
northern
Yes,
wind.
territory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Northern wind.
Northern bull.
Northern bull para timi.
Yeah.
He coming down.
Right.
He reach loam soil.
Yeah.
He going back.
Boy!
Tara na gen.
Ah.
Gorong-goro to miyaw.
Rona Kaika, there's two things there.
Saka di ka musya. Tara nga man ko lang.
Yeah,
there's-
Tara
go back.
Yeah, there's two things there. There. One is the hurricane, the
Yes.
strong wind, and the second one is the Buninu.
Yeah.
Right.
How strong it is.
How strong?
Here.
Coming down, take the soil. Nengon sa
Like the rubber band.
It's like rubber band.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
a rubber
Take
band.
the loam soil, going back. From there, after the cyclone, you see this coconut tree, another ground there. Itu mutalikin, ako na po nga mitara ng gel.
Boy!
The coconut tree come down, take the loam soil,
Ah.
leave the nyumbu there,
Yes.
went up again.
Right.
Come back again, pick up the nyumbu again. Boy, sagaya na cyclone go.
Boga relay.
Boy.
Saba ang rorongo to miyaw mimbua.
Pick and drive nga, pick and drive.
Saba ro to miyaw mimbua.
Yeah.
Abale, listen,
Yeah.
I want to tell you one thing.
Oh, compete. He
Compete
wants to
go.
win the...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know what? A cyclone na magori.
Ah, ah.
What kind of cyclone is it?
Yeah.
That's how hard your cyclone is.
Yeah, yeah.
One cyclone that can come now. Here, last 4
Gori.
years,
Right.
here in our village.
Uh-uh.
You know, as men,
Yeah.
the harder the cyclone is,
Yes.
we the cyclone just come and carry our clothes.
Bakit ba?
Ay, ombu man nga ba sulwato nga.
Yeah.
Ito nga ombu, ele sulwato nga.
Sante na.
Yaman nga siya gaya may.
We were outside bathing in the wind.
Iya, asa lang itatama.
Boy.
Lontur ka naman ko ito. Basta...
Bakit to? Tolong
Ele
lusun.
sulu.
Yali sulu.
Iya.
Saan
Ang
ka?
kurang tali tunat lagi lam.
Tatangin lang masin.
Lumay
No,
sultan.
no, kandi.
And after that, I want to do this. Let's just start.
Yeah.
American dinner.
Uy!
Uncle?
Yes.
Uncle just come back from the shop.
Uncle Koroy.
Yeah, Uncle Koroy. Uncle just come back.
Yeah.
He bought one Toshiba, the new one.
Yes.
Right.
Toshiba is...
Bakit din na libo-libo?
Iya.
Right.
Pangon to mga taga nanunuwi.
Right. Iyo,
Yeah.
iyo.
He shoot the kabo.
Iyo.
Battery bow.
Sante
Yeah.
na.
This is the one with it we used to in the sea.
Kaya bale,
When we shoot
right.
the total ice,
Yes.
the total kalas.
Oh!
Ningon na dinabi kinamata ni Puno.
Kaya na kaya kukuha ya.
Kaya kukuha.
Right.
I wanna tell you this. The cyclone coming.
Yes.
Uncle, we take the Toshiba.
Iyo.
Diyan tambutangi.
Then tamo lagi ko rin the Toshiba with a new battery, we shoot. When the cyclone coming,
Yes.
Yeah. Strong one.
the strong one.
Yes.
Na Toshiba, nararama,
Iyo. The light.
the light,
Eh.
kurukit. Koko ni tanggal ko mengo, kau total nararama.
Iya.
Ketu santo tutu bango nararama sa tutal tu minum.
Lagi na talo tulo
Lagi
rara.
tayo tu nararama. Let's go kan. Abang kamengo.
Winning the light.
Iya, winning kita light. Abang kamengo tabalena. Tabale. Hoy ko nadala iloma. Ni sala ko matang ilamang koy. Rongoda. Ni sala ko matang ilamang koy.
Sabuto.
Sa
Sabuto.
problem.
Iya.
Hoy umantang usama kan game mode. Tapos tu ba mo.
Asal ko ni sulia sa ko
Asal
kita
ko ni
nang.
sul.
Iyo.
Orang marama sa sungon na kok na natural ke bisa song tunda ko. Ang iba ko miyaw.
Iya.
Dina bo. Ndamba tiri bo. Nung kay dina henang koy. Asa makan kay di bararama. Ako ni tang isa ka ararama.
Kartulin din namin talo tulo total mira.
Kan tu mera. Ngoy ako ramba na ningali. Sarang mangani bo sarang hure-hure nga.
Lo ko nararama do sa di ba di na mo tuto talaga. Lubu wali ko sa
Asir na ka tunda na ka. Ato na ka rarama nga may rarama nga.
Kasi di ba patala lagi lang sama patala din na.
Wala yung ceketan nila.
Highlight.
Laka nararama tombok ka talento turang ni brista ka tunan sa di ba? Sa taltungan ni sul.
Highlight. Staff ni Wishbone. Lani, Olayo, Apo, Drixo, John, and Ria, Tila, Sofa, pati kay Nico. Doon ano ka?
Yan
These
yan.
the staff that was there.
Sing the happy birthday song.
Happy birthday song. Adi tilo meni sila di ba ni nabali usar na loloma. Nabali usar na bengarabi.
Naka.
Iferime palendrongan roka, bayan ratu yan ibigay mo doon sara matelalan doon sambol itong menggor na matakan ni Kuwa.
Okay. Raki-Raki Public High School.
Right, Form 7.
Iya.
Wasa na imbuy Raki-Raki Public School. Paano ni binaka nung bitarongi? Melna the level.
Oh.
Sandre na ito nga Melna the level.
Sa nga bato ya?
Right. Paano ni binaka may sere na kurda ke may nabara kinabisa luto ka nabugon ni kanan tabi din na bitarongi ni Fomo Bitu matay ni Pepa na singin ni Kuwa.
Right, kita sa tapa like hata kan ng talay na matabi na ni Kuwa. E nasali ka kamura kang Konabit FM 92.2 FM. Kalisto sa Uni Andre nga. Pinawali usara sa mabuli